Hello friends, time flies and today it's time to sum up the month and tell you about the most important events that have happened in the new Generation Airships project. Let me start with the main point. This month, on August 7th, our project turned exactly 1 year old. This is a milestone event, and during this time we've gone from ideas to our first real flights. We have assembled a strong team and laid a solid foundation for the future mass production of next-generation airships. One of the highlights of this milestone was the first visit of our partners to our airfield in Voskresensk. People come, get to know the team, and see with their own eyes the progress and results that we have achieved together through our joint efforts. At this stage, we are expecting major acquisitions such as our own airfield and the organization of envelope production, and in this regard, SOLARGROUP has launched new promotions for investors and project partners. One of these promotions, which is part of the profit pack, gives you a 10% discount on your investment for every $100. Other special offers are also available, which I recommend you check out on the project website. I would like to specifically note that this month a final and important decision was made regarding our participation in the international exhibition, the Dubai Airshow, which will take place from November 17 to 21. I invite everyone who has the opportunity to visit and support us at this truly significant event. Participating in it is an important step toward international recognition of the project and toward future major contracts and partnerships that are expected as a result of taking part in this international exhibition. I would also like to note that SOLARGROUP provides travel support to everyone planning to attend this event. You can easily contact us, the dedicated technical support team, and our experienced specialists will certainly help you purchase the event ticket correctly, select the very best flight tickets, and also find the most convenient and comfortable place to stay. It is likely that the company will even organize a group transfer from the accommodation to the exhibition. In general, all possible assistance will be provided both in preparation and at the event itself. In addition, in August, we conducted a stratospheric launch near Kirov together with Bauman University. This is another step that opens up new prospects for us to test technologies and explore the stratosphere. We are currently preparing a video about this trip for you, which will be released very soon. And now let's talk about less noticeable but no less important events. This month, we conducted the first comprehensive training on the T-Flex platform for our engineers, which is systematically strengthening our engineering base and our capabilities for working with this platform. All specialists received their certificates for successfully completing this comprehensive course and are already actively applying the in-depth knowledge they gained in their daily work. We have also started testing grommets for the Nova 2 envelope. We have recently received the initial samples from China, which we have already successfully installed on the fabric samples that were produced at Bauman University, and in the very near future we will promptly send them to DKBA for comprehensive strength, load and tear testing. Systematic work also continues on the Nova 2 airship itself and all the components needed for its production. Some elements of the gondola have already been sent to manufacturing for production. Active work is currently underway on meticulously designing the empennage for the airship. The crucial nose reinforcement is being carefully developed, and the essential power plant for our very first full-size Nova 2 airship is being diligently prepared. In addition to these efforts, we have already fully paid for the necessary machines for our envelope production, which we confidently expect to receive in the coming months. We are now actively continuing to search for a suitable permanent base for them and to establish our very own dedicated production facility for manufacturing these vital envelopes. Everything is going according to plan. As mentioned earlier, we plan to assemble the Nova 2 airship itself by the end of the year, and at the beginning of next year we want to get it airborne and conduct full-scale flight tests. Let me remind you that the first Nova 2 unit will serve as a kind of flying laboratory, which will be used to develop 3 modifications of future models in the Nova 2 airship family. The first of these is a passenger version designed for 6 people, including the pilot, a cargo version with a payload capacity of about 500-600 kilograms, and a monitoring variant for observation tasks. All of them will mainly differ in the gondola and the equipment installed on it. In summary, I would like to note that interest in the project and the company's activities is growing. This month, we had several important visits from clients whose requests are even slightly ahead of our current capabilities. We see more and more people getting involved in this story, and there is definitely demand for such devices, so it is extremely important for the project to move forward according to the planned schedule. It is up to us to provide all possible support for the planned financing. In this regard, I would like to remind you once again that Solar Group has special offers in place for all participants to support this. You can find detailed terms and conditions in your personal account on the Solar Group website in the promotions section. And of course, friends, it is extremely important for us to keep sharing information about the project, to stay active under the videos we release for you, to share them and to write your comments. Right now is the perfect time to scroll down a bit and click the like or heart button under this video, and very soon we will inevitably reach the point where these airborne giants will once again soar across the vast expanses of our endless sky.